Hello guys, it's a beautiful Monday morning and yes, welcome to episode 3 of trying to get funded with 5k account. Let's see how this week offers because last week we're down 3.5%. Let's see what this week will offer. Yes, please, if you like the video, please ensure to watch the video up to the end such that you see our downs and ups on this account. So, and you are to subscribe. If you like the content, please hit the like button. Let's go. So guys, I'm in for shorts. Stop loss in place and take profits. Yeah. So the total is 1 to 2 risk to reward, and this is my setup right here. It's the silver bullet entry. Yep. And if this high is taken out, it means I'm wrong, and it's okay. This high, so that's it. As you're seeing, we're seeing a beautiful reaction at the level, so I'll update you. So guys, we're having a very beautiful push to the downside, and yeah, so let's see how it goes. Let's go to the setup and see. So this is the setup right here, and as you saw that my entry was best from the silver bullet, and as you saw that structure, price was following the bearish structure, so I had to do the same thing. And yeah, so let's see how it goes. So guys, we think we were having a very strong retracement. So this is one of the reasons why I removed break even in my rules, because yes, I know it sometimes saves your account, but as long as I manage the risk, I'm okay, because I would have put my break even here, and due to the spreads, I think I could have been out by now. But now look, and I was planning to add to the position. Let me go show you. So guys, as you think here, you can see that this was the exact point that I was looking to add in, and but I was not feeling this. I was not feeling to add up, because price was like, it is a Monday, and I never wanted to have such a loss, like break even then a loss here. So I just said, okay, it's good if price turns to come back here and takes me out, it's good, but not two positions, you get. So, and yep, but it could have been a very good trade. I would have made 100 US dollars on these trades, on these two trades, but it is what it is. Let's hold this one and see how it plays out. So guys, price has literally came up to this level, 60 USDs, and it started reversing, but I'm gonna let it see, because we have already hit today's target, which is 1:2 RR, but I'm going to let it play. I want this to hit take profit. Yeah, but if it doesn't, I'll manage this trade. I want to let this trade come back this all the way to this side. Okay, so yeah, so guys, yeah, I've been holding all the way through. So let's see if we hit this take profit. Yep, and boom. Patience is key. Yeah, so this is today's trade, and it was a win. So we meet tomorrow and see how it goes. So guys, I've sold Euro USD, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, wow, this is such a beautiful push to the upside. Oh my god, it is what it is. Risk management in touch and everything. Let's see how it goes. So guys, we have seen this push to the downside. Yeah, I think I'm good to go and break for you down this trade. What was the confluences that I considered to take this trade? So let's go. So guys, so first of all, as you can see this price action, I can take you back to the 15 minutes time frame. You can see we had this dealing range. I'm going to summarize, please. I don't want to make this video too long. You can see this dealing range that we had. So I placed my Fibonacci and it showed me the OTE levels that we had this FVG right here with the OTE. So I had to wait for price to come back to read. And so it's what I did. And we had this premium FVG. So, and I dropped to the 5 minutes time frame. With that time frame, so we have this silver bullet time window, and before that silver bullet we had taken this buy side liquidity, and remember I had already had my bias, so I just wanted an entry. So with that I dropped to the 3 minutes to see if we have any imbalance formed in the silver bullet time window, and there it was. So price consolidated a little bit at it gave this proportion block, so I waited for a retracement, and it's where it's executed from. So yeah, my entry was a little bit late. It was around here, but it could have been at the proportion block entry. So we're holding for this trade. The take profit is, first of all, we have the previous week's low, and we have the weekly FVG. So let's see how it plays. So guys, price first consolidated a little bit, but it's now delivering very crazy. So as you can see, it had to first consolidate to accumulate orders, so, and it's delivering quite well right now as I'm talking. So let's see how it goes. So guys, our TP has been hit. So you can look at from the point we took our sales up to our take profit was around here. So you can see how how long it took. So it's just patience. Yeah, don't worry for this first trade. I mean, this platform, I had tried to execute this trade in the morning, but it couldn't. So I had to first log out, then I log in again and test with this lot. So yeah, we meet tomorrow, guys. You can see it's dumping. So guys, I sold Euro USD in this area. So let's see how it goes. Hey guys, here comes the humbling part on Forex. So stop loss has been hit for today. Yeah, we come back tomorrow. That's the last trading day in this week. So yeah, let's see how it goes. You can see stop loss has been hit and price is reversing. This is the reason why I don't want to trade on low probability days like this one. Crazy man. Today we had CPI. And it came and printed out nicely, but at the point I took my stop loss, it's where it started from. So annoying. And I had a chance to wait. Like, I don't have any way to explain this unless I go to the charts. So let me take you to the charts and show you and explain to you everything. So guys, here's the beautiful trade. By the way, this trade is so annoying. And if you've been watching from the first episode on this platform, I've been having trades like this for a long time. And if you go to my Telegram channel, you'll find that I have trades like this for a long time. And yeah, it's normal. So as long as you manage your risk. So it started from here. I never wanted to take any trade today, but let me explain to you what made me take this trade. And since we had a very beautiful push volatility during the Asian session, so London, if we have volatility during Asian session, London should consolidate. Okay, and it's what you're seeing here. Then you will need to see the second volatility during New York, no, but not in London. London has to accumulate orders, then manipulate them in at the beginning of New York, then New York starts delivering. Those who know the power of three already know. So if you want to know much, join the Telegram. Sometimes we trade live and I break down the charts. Yeah, so what made me take this trade was this sweep. Like, you see this? We had this previous day's high, as you're seeing it here, and it was taken out. So that came to my mind that that is a manipulation. And again, we had another manipulation at that high that took out the previous day's high. You can see it. And secondly, we had a retracement at the 4H mini threshold, the week, like these weeks you're seeing here. We had 6 weeks are also imbalances. So at the same point, we had this pink box you're seeing here. It was the 15-minute inverse FVG. So price came retesting to it back and forth, back and forth. So, and I said, okay. Then I saw this was the silver bullet time window. I saw this imbalance. This is the 5-minute, right? I saw this 5-minute imbalance, but we also had this inverse FVG, and I had chance to wait for a retracement. Guys, so I just decided to take this. This first entry and couldn't wait for this second entry. But what's crazy is that, look, if we could have waited somehow longer for this entry, we could have been stopped out with take profit, because this was my target. We had a breaker block on the one edge. It was my target. But it is what it is. Trades like this are always calm. We have to just stay calm and wait for our opportunities. But it is what it is. It could have been a nice trade, and I'm waiting to trade the AM session right here. I think it's active, so I will wait for the silver bullet. And we have already killed this news, by the way, guys, on my personal account. I'll put here the screenshot. We have already killed this news because that manipulation made me see this is called a 3 drives pattern. And so I just entered around at this retracement into this imbalance and took it just to trade the news. I like trading the news. Sometimes if I see a very clear move, it's when I take it. If the move is not clear, I don't. So that's all, guys. So guys, this trade I had said stop loss, like the limit orders. Let me go show you. So guys, I had set my order right here, the sell limit, but then price, as you see this high, price didn't put me in. So what I decided, I came to the 3-minute and found this imbalance right here. So it's where I executed from and removed and deleted this sell limit order. I deleted this sell limit order, but surprisingly, when I came here, this order wasn't removed. This order wasn't removed, guys, and it was tapped in as you're seeing it. So I'm here wondering, should I leave it? Should I leave these trades hit the stop loss at 50 US dollars or close them at 25 US dollars, guys? Because this setup has a potential to sell, guys. It has a potential to sell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it hit the stop loss, yes, at 50 US dollars. Yeah, it is what it is. It has come like that. And yep, So yeah, I'll update you guys. We're seeing pullback, should I call it like that? So if you're going to profit for this upper position, I'll set its break even as immediately as possible. Then I let this lower position, its stop loss there, and let it play out. Yeah, if it goes as I anticipate, that's my take profit. So let's see how to play. So guys, the trade ended up stopping us out with two losses that I wasn't ready for. Like I was ready for one loss of 0.5%, but wow. And I had deleted the sell limit because I was rushing. When I deleted the sell limit, I immediately executed the open position and went off chart. So I don't know if it was my network connection that made the trade to not like delete itself. As you know, MT5, if your network is poor, it will do you the same stuff. So guys, we were up 3%. Remember last week we were down negative 3.5%. So for this week we were up to like 3%, remaining with 0.5 to get out of drawdown. But this made us, yeah, so we made up making 1.5% for this week and losing 1.5 of our profits in 2 days. Wow. Yesterday's loss was crazy and today's loss was hell. So this is our PNL. We are only remaining with 2% to get out of this drawdown, and let's try that next week. Hoping for the best, and God eat effects. I sign out.